father's hired servants have bread enough and to spare. And I perish with hunger. Look what it says. Here's what shall it mean. I will arise and go to my father. And will say to him, Father, I have sinned against heaven and before you. And I'm no longer worthy to be called your son. Make me like one of your hired servants. Once, brothers and sisters, when I read that text, I said to myself, just like this boy, I too at one time in my life chased waterfalls. But thank God I came to myself. Well, brothers and sisters, that's now we completed the video. Permit me to tell you what my star character in the video is. You see, the younger son, he represents you and me. But he's not the main character in the video. The older son represents the Pharisees. But they're not the main character in the video. The Father represents God and how God will accept us back but he's not the main character in the video. The main character in the video will be found until you get to verse 23. And it's in verse 23 where the Father says, and bring me the fatted calf. Kill it. And let's eat and be merry. You see, brothers and sisters, here's what I'm trying to get you to see. Before any celebration could take place, the fatted calf had to die. Y'all still ain't got it. But here it is, over 2,000 years ago, the fatted calf died. The Bible says that they hung him. They stretched him wide. Nailed it in his hand. Nailed it in his feet. Then put 72 thorns on his head. He died. But that's not how the story ends. Because 3 days later, I wish I could do it tonight. 3 days later, he rose from the grave and stepped out on resurrection ground. And I heard him declare, all power. In my hand. Whatever you do, I'm through. Don't go chasing. Anybody here to thank God for Jesus, who died for our sins, rose from the dead, and saved wretches like you and me. I wish I had somebody here who wasn't ashamed to say, I'm saved and I thank God that He saved me. He saved me. Father, we thank you. Thank you for your word. I pray tonight that your word has been delivered in such a way that it find a stay place in our hearts. That we'll remember this word and put it into practice. Thank you for using it. And I've given your people what you've given me. And now, Lord, that you're done, I'm through speaking. I have now only one request. That now you will save somebody. Set somebody free in this place, we pray. In Jesus' name, we pray. Amen.
church are open. The word has gone forth. And you may be just like that prodigal son. You might have found yourself a little impatient.